What is up, people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mayur Pawar and you're watching The Bearded Geek. Well, for the ones who are visiting this channel for the first time and watching my video for the first time, this channel is all about the lesser known tools that would help you increase your digital productivity, and most of them are free. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon besides that, because I keep on making such kind of videos on a daily basis, and that will just help me to reach out to you guys whenever I upload a video. I've recently started this Quora series on my channel it's a playlist named as Quora Answers, and in which I answer the queries from the users on my Quora account, the followers or the people who follow my space. If you have not followed my space, the space name is Digital Productivity Web and the link is in the description below. You can go ahead and follow that and ask me as many questions as you want on Quora. Well, the question for today is being asked by Sujit Gaurav, and the question is, can I use free stock images to upload on a business account on social media? Yes, definitely, Sujit. You can go ahead and you can download the images from free stock photography websites and use them as a part of your creative on your social media, on your website, on your blog, or whichever marketing platform you feel like. Even I would say, if the image has a good quality and it has a great bigger dimensions, you can as well go ahead and print those particular images, because these images are royalty free images, and they are uploaded on this particular website in order for the people to go ahead and use them in all the marketing collaterals as they can. So I hope I answered this particular question of yours well. If you have liked this particular answer, guys, please go ahead and upvote this particular answer. And if you're watching this video on my Instagram account, make sure that you DM me your queries. If you're watching this on Quora, you can upvote this answer. And that's about it from my end for today, guys. I'll be back with another question for you people, and till then, keep watching my channel and keep geeking.